friends, welcome back to Madison's channel. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, go in the comments, put hashtag Unicorn Squad. And right now guys, we are playing bloxburg. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna even look at that house. But this girl built my house. I love it. It's not that, just for me. Okay, I can't even, can't even see me. Let me go ahead and, find everyone before, I get to moving. I know, I'm sorry if you guys probably like, oh my gosh, this girl's not even making that much videos. I understand, guys. I'm so sorry. And just so you know, I am not showing my face until we get 100,000 subscribers and 30,000 likes on this video. Right now, guys, let me just look at this house. Hey, I'm supposed to be a kid. I just remembered that. Not an adult, guys. Sorry about that. Supposed to be a kid, not an adult. Oh my gosh, I can't even see anything. It's okay, I'm funny. I'm gonna turn on my lights. Alright. I only have a single bed because it's only me, okay? And we are... Oh, and Dylan's gonna be posting a video on his channel. Make sure you go watch his channel. And make sure you subscribe to his channel. And... What do you mean? Why you can't do it? Yes, he does, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, guys, so I'm back. And we are going to see if we can get a parent. Now, I'm not just going to the biggest houses. I go to just houses. So we're going to go with this brick one first. My name is Avery B102 house. We can knock on her door. And we're going to ask her. She has a really nice house. You know what? I really think this is an apartment. She made something for people, It's just an apartment, and that's what I think it is. That's what I think it is. Okay. Is she coming? Let me see if she's somewhere else. Let me see. Okay. There's no one answering the door. Come on. Okay, my best friend's on here. I'm gonna be like, where are you? She's starting to ignore me, so I did the same thing to her. Why do I do that? I have shown my face on a couple of videos, but I think I look pretty darn different. That's what I think. I don't know. Next house. So I'm telling. She said at my mom's house, and I'm like, tell her to throw a party so I can. So I asked her. Wait, is that her mom's house? Why are you pulling up these cars? Oh my gosh, she's has a door open. This is nice. It's not bad at all. Yeah. This is the most nicest house ever. But I'm not just gonna go inside her house and, I just want to see. Dylan. Shh, I'm trying to make a video. Okay, next person's house. Okay, oh, look, she came! Hi. Can you adopt me, please? Can you adopt me, please? What do you need? Can you adopt me? Please. Alright, let me see what she's gonna say. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, guys. She's gonna say that. She said no. I'm gonna ask her why. Why would you just why? Don't you need someone for your company? You know, she is so mean. I'm just joking. She's not rude. She at least she's telling the truth. Next house. I asked her why, and then I just left. Of course, I'm a sassy girl. Oh look, this is a really nice, cute little house. I don't blame her for making this house. Oh, it's a boy. Let's go ahead and knock on his house. Um, is he home? I don't think he's home. No, he's not. Okay, we're gonna go to the next person. Oh look, next house. Oh, sorry, someone's calling me. Hello. Yep, we're good, Mom. No, I made me some noodles. Mama, you told me not to make. No, yeah, we did. All right, bye. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be like, hi. Oh, they're so cute. Sorry, my mom called me. Oh, there she is. Hi. Hmm? Hi. Can I? My best friend is right there trying to build a house. And I'm like, can I be you guys' sister? I'm sorry, I have the hiccups. Now I have to pay house bills. $59. What? Oh, it's supposed to be. Look at her little cute things. I don't know. I need to ask my mom. Okay. You know what? When I first made my cat, when I first saw her, I was like, "You little baby cushion," and she got so mad. I was like, you little baby cushion, you little baby cushion," and she was like, "No, I do not." Baby Keisha is off his dialects play. Oh my gosh, is that her mom? She's so pretty. Oh, she's pretty. Tropical tears. I'm gonna be like, I am a YouTuber. You guys are being on YouTube. Oh, is that your mom? Okay, let me go ahead and say hi to her. Hi, hi. Can I be your daughter, please? Please. Hi, Whitey. Dad, she said hi. I should record. I am. Yay! Say hi, Mom. I will subscribe. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I'm starting my channel soon. Cool. Guys, she said hi. Hey. And can I be in your videos? We're going to ask her, can I be in her videos? Just in case. Can I be in your videos? Can I be in your videos, Mom? Let's see what she's going to say. And we can do a morning routine. And oh, look, she wants to friend me. And we can, oh my gosh, we have gotten along so easily. And we can do a morning morning routine. Alright, guys, this man just interrupted me and my mom's phone call. I mean, not phone call. Chat, talk, whatever. Mama, my sisters, I'll see you guys after work. Okay. My mom is gonna go to work. You're probably wondering. That is very bad, very, very bad parenting. She's just making money for her kids. Oh, hold on. This house is humongous, but it's empty. Wait, this is what the girl's doing? Aw. Aw, yes they are. Maybe I should make my room. Should I? Oh look, she gave me $100 to finish my whole room. She's so sweet. I'm gonna make my room in here. Oh no, that's the bathroom. Can I make I room to be upstairs. Do we have an upstairs? Oh no, it's only a downstairs. Oh no, it's upstairs. Hold on. Can we go upstairs real quick? Maybe we should all share a room. I'm gonna add my bed in here. Yes, I can add my bed in here actually. I'm gonna decorate it with a little twin bed. Not a twin bed. Yeah, maybe it's a twin. I think it's a twin bed. Oh, I need more money for a bed. Ooh. Let me ask her. Mom, can you change my budget? You're not done yet. I'm not done yet. I know that. We're gonna go into build out after work. Okay. After work, she said she's gonna take my bill to be a little bit higher. I don't want her to waste all her money. Girls, let's stop. Girls, let's stop. So I told my sisters, let's stop. And I'm about to end the video almost here. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. She's so cute. I feel like crying. But, oh, my sister has the most cutest, face ever. Look at her. She's so adorable. And so is my other sis. Oh my gosh, you don't know how I feel about my sisters. That's my best friend. Look at her little face. They're so cute. That's a little baby cushion. Alright, guys. I'm almost done with this video. And I'm going to end the video off here. Guys, let me tell them to wave at you guys. Guys, wave at YT. That's all. Okay, I think she's going to wave. I hope she does. I was like, guys, let's wave at YouTube. Ready? Set. Hold on. Emotes. Wave! I don't think they're gonna do it. They're not in the mood right now. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end. She did arm dance. Okay, I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys loved it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications, and just so you know, I will never show my face until I get 100,000 subscribers and 30,000 likes on this video. If you guys can do that, please do it for me, and make sure you. And you subscribe, and if you subscribed and turn on post notifications, go in the comments down below and put hashtag Unicorn Squad. Become a fan of the Unicorn Squad. Be a unicorn. I hope you guys love this video. Bye bye.